Industrial dispute. It is explained in section 2K. Definition defines the industrial dispute as an industrial dispute means any dispute or difference between employers and employers or employers and workmen or a workman and workmen which is connected with the employment or non-employment or the terms of employment or the conditions of labor of any person. Industrial dispute may be defined as a conflict or a difference of opinion between the management and workers on the terms of employment. In this case, Dimakuchi Tea Estate versus the management of Dimakuchi Tea Estate. Here the appellant is Dr. Banerjee was appointed as assistant medical officer on 3 months probation by the respondent. After 3 months, he was terminated on the ground of incompetency. Assam Karmachari Sangh opposes to this decision. The case goes in the hand of Industrial Tribunal. Means he was removed on the basis of on the ground of incompetency. Decision of the Industrial Tribunal was he is not a workman. So we have no jurisdiction to adjudicate the dispute. We have jurisdiction over only industrial dispute. This decision was given by the Industrial Tribunal. After that, workman raised a plea to Supreme Court. The plea is that a person can have right to go to the industrial court though he is not a workman, and this also comes in the industrial dispute. Supreme Court asks how it is possible. Then the learned person from workman says that it is according to the section of the industrial dispute 1947 section 2 clause K. In this definition, any person is written in the last sentence, so it applies that a person is not needed to be a workman. Supreme Court said any person cannot mean anybody and everybody in this world. The subject matter of dispute must relate to the employment or the non-employment or the terms of employment. Decision of the Supreme Court, Dr. Banerjee is not a workman. So here we have seen the industrial dispute and the case related to it.